Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. Today is Monday, April 28th, 2014. I'm National Weather Service meteorologist Aaron Gleason. This briefing will provide detailed information concerning multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms expected early this week across Central Alabama. But before we begin, just a quick note. This may be the last planning briefing for the severe weather threats expected through Wednesday as we transition our focus to warning operations. You can always get the latest information on our website. Simply go to weather.gov/BMX, and all the information you need will be on that main page. The main driver for our severe weather threat is a big, slow-moving upper-level storm system that is moving slowly eastward over the Plain States today. This map shows all the surface weather players, and the yellowish area on the map is where the main severe weather threat will exist today and tonight. I didn't include the severe weather outlook for today, which is issued by the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, because it will be updated several times through the day and would quickly become outdated. Note that the main severe weather potential area covers all of central Alabama. We're anticipating that after an initial round of showers and non-severe storms weakens this morning over the area, severe storms are expected to develop back near the Mississippi River this afternoon as temperatures warm into the low to mid-80s. This round of severe thunderstorms will move across central Alabama beginning this afternoon and continuing through Tuesday morning. We agree with the Storm Prediction Center in thinking that roughly the northwestern half of central Alabama will have the greatest potential for seeing severe weather this afternoon through Tuesday morning, or beginning around 3 p.m. this afternoon west and lasting until 10 a.m. Tuesday morning. This is the area highlighted in red on the graphic that we're most concerned about. There is a significant risk for tornadoes, some of which may be strong, damaging winds, very large hail, and heavy rain which could lead to flash flooding. But, as shown on this graphic, all of central Alabama has a risk for severe weather with this round of severe storms. As if that wasn't enough, the storm system aloft inches closer still on Tuesday. We will continue to mention the possibility for another round of severe storms, with more storm development expected across Mississippi Tuesday afternoon and evening, and moving into Alabama after that. The Storm Prediction Center mentions the possibility of a significant severe risk during this time frame, basically Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning for us. But since this possible round of severe weather is very much dependent on what happens today and tonight, they kept all of central Alabama in a slight risk for seeing severe weather. There is the potential for at least part of central Alabama to be upgraded to a moderate risk for Tuesday once we know what's going to happen today and tonight. As mentioned previously, the development of this round of storms Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning is highly dependent on what ends up happening this afternoon through Tuesday morning with this first round. The additional threat will probably materialize if storms Tuesday morning exit quickly to our east. That would allow us to warm back up into the 80s Tuesday afternoon, which would destabilize the atmosphere again as a cold front approaches the state from the west. If this additional round of storms develops Tuesday afternoon, it would have the same threats as the round of severe weather we're expecting this afternoon and tonight, and unfortunately all of central Alabama would be at risk again. I realize that was a lot of information, so let's review our severe weather timeline. The first round of strong storms this morning didn't really materialize. Meanwhile, round 2 will develop to our west this afternoon and will affect central Alabama this afternoon through Tuesday morning. Finally, round 3, which is highly dependent on how quickly round 2 exits the area Tuesday morning, may affect central Alabama beginning Tuesday afternoon and lasting all the way until the cold front moves through Wednesday morning. So, what kind of severe weather can we expect? Well, all types of severe weather are going to be possible with rounds 2 and 3. That includes tornadoes, some of which could be strong, damaging straight-line winds, and very large hail. And since the whole system is expected to move through slowly, and with multiple rounds of thunderstorms, there is a threat of heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. A flash flood watch has been issued for all of central Alabama as a result. So, what can you do to prepare? The best advice I can give folks living here in central Alabama is to have a severe weather safety plan. Think. Use your brain. Think about all the different places you will be today through Wednesday morning, and know where you can take shelter if threatening weather approaches your location, and have multiple ways to get or to receive weather warnings. Depending on how quickly severe weather develops this afternoon, this may be the last planning briefing for the severe weather threats expected through Wednesday. But you can always get the latest forecasts and updates right off our main webpage, which is weather.gov/BMX. And we will do our best to post frequent updates to our Facebook page and Twitter feed through these events, so be sure to like us and or follow us. If you have any additional questions, you can give us a call here at the office at 205-664-3010. Thanks for watching.